All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about user input. So Python allows for user input. That means that we are able to ask the user for input. The method is a bit different in Python 3.6 than Python 2.7. So Python 3.6 uses the input method, and Python 2.7 uses the raw underscore input method. The example we are going to work with is going to ask for the username, and when you enter the username, it gets printed on the screen. Okay, so let's jump into the notebook and take a look at this. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to create a notebook. So we're going to call this new Python 3 notebook, and we're going to use the name 24. And we're going to call this 24.space user input. Okay, so first we're going to do the Python 3.6 version. So let's do Python 3.6. Okay, and we're going to do username equals input, enter username, colon, and then print username is colon space for concatenation, then another space plus, and then another space username. Okay, and I'll run that, enter your username. Here it is. Here it is. Okay, there you go. So it prints it. Now we'll do it for Python 2.7. So Python 2.7. And we'll do username equals raw underscore input, enter username, colon, and then let's do print username is colon, and we need a space there, and then another space plus username, and then print that. Really, I get an error. That could be because I'm running Python 3.7. Raw input is not defined, it's saying. All right, so let's just delete this one. And we'll just type it out so we know what it is. So we'll just do Python 2.7. And then we'll just type it in there so we know what it would be if we were using that version. Or if we ever need to use Python 2.7. If you get a gig somewhere and they require you to use Python 2.7, then you could use this example. So username is, and then colon, space, plus, and then username. Okay? And then it would ask you the question, and then you'd enter it, and it would be right here. Okay? So that is user input in Python. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.